Let's take a look at the way that you withdraw funds from Acorns. If you've been recently investing inside of Acorns and you've made some profits, and if you're trying to withdraw that profit back into your bank account, let me show you the steps that you need to do in order to withdraw your funds. So let's head over to the app of Acorns. Once you're inside of the app, you just need to tap on the invest section and you'll be taken to this screen. Inside of this screen, you'll see three options on the top: the roundups, one time, and withdraw. Just tap on the withdraw option. Now before you do this, make sure you link your bank account so that you can successfully withdraw your funds back to your bank account. Now inside of this section, you can just type in the amount of funds that you're trying to withdraw. Just tap on the 0 that is on the top, and here you can type in the amount that you want to withdraw. The minimum amount required is going to be $5, so you cannot withdraw less than $5. So make sure you keep that in mind, and then add in your amount and then tap on OK or confirm on the bottom. Once you do that, lastly, it's going to show you the amount. Where are you going to take this investment, from where this withdrawal is going to be made, and to where the fund is going to be deposited. And it's also going to say it's going to take about 3 to 6 business days. And if you understand and confirm this, tap on withdraw on the bottom, and the funds that you just added in will be transferred back to your bank account within 3 to 6 business days. So that was a video about the way that you withdraw money from Acorns into your bank account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.